all plain state of Austrian Switzerland state. Yun, the quarters that you're needing are black concrete, red concrete, and white concrete. Come here, go here. Down left by one, left by one, down by one, down left by two, down by one, left by two, down by one, left by. Okay, I'm here. Down right by two, down by two, down right by two, left right. Oh, yeah. Down left. This up, not down. Okay. Down by two. Down left by. Down right by two. Up left. Up. Up left by one. Up by one. And up by one. And right by one. Left by two. Up left by two. Up by one. And left by two. And up left by one. Up up left by one. Go to the same block and up right by one. Go here to Germany. Down by two with white. Down by three with white. Down by two. Uh, Left by two. Down by two. Down by one. Left by two. Down by one. Go here to the other half. And down by four. Left. Right by two. Up by one. Left by. The others will keep with red. Do that simply. Okay guys, I'm using mobile phone. It's my movement. Next episode will be that will be Switzerland. Go right here. Left by two. Right by two. Up right by up right by one. Left by three. Up down right by one. Left by two. Down by two. Down left by one. No, down right by one. Down by one. To get faster, go here to Switzerland. Here, go go right by two. Up left by one. Left by two. Right. This is right. Down right by one. Left by one. Come here. Do the down left by one. Down left by one. Down by one. Down left by one. Left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8D. Come here again. Up. With this pattern. And that will be a 3. Okay, let's go here. Do this. Here too. And to red concrete there. The bottom is white and fill that in. Go here and another one of these. The white will be for gaps for block length. and I'll fill that in with white. Let me do that here. Give our progress. Okay? Goodbye!